Welcome to Advanced Excel Formulas series. If you have used SUMIFS, you would have noticed that it performs AND combination between multiple criteria. It does not support OR combination between multiple criterias. If this OR combination is to be done for multiple items in a single column, then you can simply write two SUMIFS formulas and add them. However, when you want to perform OR criteria between multiple column values, then SUMIFS does not provide you the correct results. In this video, I will show you the formula to get the correct results. So let us get started and move to Excel to understand this formula. Now here on screen you can see that I have some dummy dataset for different products and regions and the sales amount. Now the first option which I want to perform is like where the product is A or the region is 1 and I want the sales amount total. So I have highlighted all the items which I want to get total over here. So this one I want to take total. So if I select all of these yellow colored cells, I can see the total value comes 39,34,000. So I want to get this value over here. Now if you use the SUMIFS functionality which is normally recommended by other people, you will not get the correct results. For examples, if I select this one, then simply select product, comma, this, then plus again SUMIFS, select this particular range, comma, this will be the criteria and this will be the region and round bracket close. And now if I press enter, now here you can see that I'm getting the incorrect results over here. Instead of getting 39,34,000, I'm getting 54,26,000. So how do I get the correct results to perform this SUMIFS with OR criteria? So I will be using some formula to get this OR criteria. But before that, let us quickly understand a little bit theory behind it and then we will write a simple formula for it. Now let us quickly understand the true and false scenario. So I will just simply write whether this is equal to A and I will just copy it down. So here you can see for each one of the row, it will give me true and false results. Wherever it is A, it gives me true. Wherever it is false, it will give me false. Similar way, I will just test it for region as well. Equal to region 1 and this one. So let me just drag it down, and wherever it is true and wherever it is false, it gives me the correct results. Now in Excel, the true is being stored as 1 and false is being stored as a 0. So if I now add simply both of this, I can see that I am getting 2 over here, and if I drag it down, so false 0 plus 0 will be 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1. So true is 1, false is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So I can see that wherever it is true, both one of the true, it is coming 2. But wherever either one of them is 1, it is giving me 1 over here. Now I can use this functionality to perform my calculations. Now next is I will simply do it whether this is greater than 0 and it will give me true or false again. Now, this is one more criteria I am doing up over here. Now as you know, true is 1, false is 0. So if I multiply this true with my sales amount, I will get the value if it is true. So I will simply multiply this with my sales amount and simply drag it down, and I can see the values are getting displayed. So wherever it is meeting the criteria, here you can see for all of this, it is giving me the sales amount values, and wherever it is not meeting the criteria, it is giving me 0 as a value. Now I will have to simply take a total of this using some formula, and so that I can get 39,34,000. So how do I put all of these criteria inside a sum formula and to get the results? That's what we are now going to look at. So let us start writing the formula in this cell. Sum, 3 round brackets open, press Alt Enter. So pressing Alt Enter doesn't make any difference. For easy readability purpose, I am putting that in a separate row with Alt Enter. Round bracket open. The first condition is this one, F4 equal to A, round bracket close, plus, then Alt Enter, round bracket open. Now second criteria is region, F4 equal to region. This one is closed. Now closed. Now we have tested these two criterias now with these commands. Now I will simply say whether both of this, addition of both of this, which is nothing but this value, whether it is greater than 0, that is what I will be getting inside my memory, round bracket closed. Now once I get this one, I am multiplying with the sales amount value. So now I will simply press Alt Enter and multiply with this sales amount value and round bracket close and press Enter. So here you can see that all the values are coming correctly. I can copy this formula down, Alt ES, and just paste the formulas. So now I have not done the dollar sign for this one. I have to simply put the dollar sign for this one and then copy paste the formula so that I will get the correct results. So that's it, like guys, from my side.